Welcome back. Let's see one of the C language question which was asked in GATE 2011. Consider the following recursive C function that take two arguments. Means here they have given few lines of code and they are asking for what is the return value of the function foo when it is called as foo of 345 comma 10. That is our first question. And second question is what is the return value of the function foo when it is called as foo of 513 comma 2. Let's see first one. When it is calling the function foo of 345 comma 10 means it is passing two parameters 345 and 10. Automatically it will initialize with an n value as 345 and r value with 10. And if n greater than 0, if 345 greater than 0, then it is going to return n modulus r. What is n modulus r? N modulus r you will get as 5 plus foo of n by r. N by r is what? 345 by 10 is you will get 34 comma 10. Guys, observe here 345 modulus 10 is different. 345 divided by 10 is different. 345 modulus 10 you will get a remainder. 345 by 10 you will get coefficient. So that is why I have written like n modulus r you will get coefficient remainder. Remainder is what? 345 by 10 you will get remainder as 5. 345 by 10 you will get coefficient. That is why I have written here 34. If you want more clarity I will write. For the first one only 10 3s are 30 you will get 45, 10 4s are 40 you will get 5 only. So this is remainder and this is coefficient. So for first I got remainder and here I got coefficient based upon the question. Next, this is not completed. This one again it is calling by passing the values 34 comma 10. Now is n value is greater than 0? Yes, then it is going to perform n modulus r. N modulus r now what? 4 plus foo of 34 by 10. 34 by 10 is 3 comma 10. Now it is calling once again. Means now n value is 3, r value is 10. Is n value greater than 0? Yes. Then it is going to return n modulus r. What is n modulus r? N modulus r is now 3 plus foo of n by r. 3 by 10 is 0 comma r is 10. Now n value is 0. When n value is 0, it is going to is 0 greater than 0? No, condition fail. So else it is going to return 0. It is going to return 0 to the same function. So here you will get 0. 3 plus 0, 3. That will be replaced with here. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 will be replaced with this function. Now 5 plus 7 is 12. That is our answer. So the function foo of 345 comma 10 will return sum of 5 plus 7, that is 12. So option B is correct answer for the first question. And let us take the second one. What is the return value of the function foo when it is called as foo of 513 comma 12? It is similar. So now n value will be 513, r value will be 2 now. Here so many of you will do mistake. Means few people will take some time to calculate this one. Let's take r n value is greater than 0, yes, then it's going to return n modulus r. N modulus r means you will get 513 modulus 2, that is you will get 1 plus foo of 513 by 2 you will get as 256 comma 2. 256 comma 2. Guys, observe here, just check 513 divisible with 2, 2 2s are 4, 11 is there, 2 5s are 10, 13 is there, 2 6s are 12, 1 will be remainder. So that is what I have written 256 here. Guys, observe here 256 is power of 2. 256 is power of 2. When it is power of 2, you will get always 0 0 0 in the remainder. I mean whenever we call again, n value will be now 256 comma 2. 256 comma 2, if 256 modulus 2, you will get 0 only, comma 128 comma 2. If you do on this process, you will get 0 only. And finally, you will get 0 plus f of 2 comma 2. Now also here 2 modulus 2 will get 0 plus foo of, now 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is what? 1 comma 2. This step is important once again. Now foo of 1 comma 2 means now n value is 1, r value is 2. Is 1 greater than 0? Yes, again. What is n modulus r now? N modulus r is 1 plus foo of n by r, that is 0 comma 2. Foo of 0 comma 2 is n value is 0 now. Is n greater than 0? No, it is written 0. So here you will get 0. 1 plus 0, 1 will be written to here. So here you will get 1. 1 plus 0, 1 will get here. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 and so on. So this entire thing. So here you will get 1 only. So finally 1 plus 1, 2. So sum of these two, 1 and 1 is 2. So option D is correct answer. So foo of 513 comma 2 will be written as 2 value. So many of you did mistake here, time wasting process here, 128, 64, 32, 16, like this you are going to calculate. So for that is going to time waste. So whoever reduce this time, they will get, they are capable of solving more questions. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.